we became a real-time organization. Lots of retailers in our space talk about that, and we ourselves had talked about it previously. We've never really been successful, and I think what we realized was, through a screen you can do that. You haven't got to get a ton of people in different meeting rooms and run decisions up and down the flagpole. Basically, in Microsoft Teams, there are no corporate titles anymore. You just get the right people in the right boxes on the screen, and those people that can take a decision, by the end of your 20-minute, half an hour, sometimes 10-minute calls. And so I think there was innovation internally in the way we operated. And then externally, we innovated, art and science. We sell a product that is, inherently it's fashion and it's taste, it's an emotional engagement. But behind that, you need data to measure your effectiveness in the way that you deliver that product to market. And in the data, what we saw was that we had a customer during the pandemic that was getting a lot younger because we were exploiting the digital channel. And we also saw in the data that almost all of our new customers were coming in through digital, and they were overwhelmingly on the youngest end of the profile that we had been targeting previously. And it got us to looking into the data to see how young and where the clusters were. And what we realized was we had an opportunity to broaden the reach of the brand. And long story short, we ended up actually, I think it was around July last year, July 2020, there was a headline on the retail press that said that a really large national tweenwear retailer was headed into Chapter 11, and we were just pleased to still be alive at that point. But what it said to us was, wow, there's $1 billion plus hole in the market that's potentially opening up. And we have this data that suggests maybe we share a customer with this retailer. And 100 days later, a new brand was born, Tweenwear. We launched it online in time for holiday last year, great success. And since then we've been scaling it. And in time for holiday this year, our Tweenwear brand, Frankie, will launch as a standalone retail concept in physical stores and with its own standalone website in time for holiday this year. So we generated a whole new revenue stream.